Trinomics Industry 4.0 Lab. We built the lab envisioning to support customers' POC while giving them the touch and feel of how the digital factory would work. For this demo, first I'll be introducing different components of the factory which we have built at a miniature version. Secondly, I'll walk you through a use case that we have built over the lab through day in a life scenario for personnel across different hierarchies and departments, administrating, monitoring, and supporting the production, and then how we achieve it. Lastly, modularity and robustness of the lab through which we can orchestrate common use cases across different industries through Oracle application landscape. The lab is at our San Jose office. In this lab, we have 7 miniature machines on the shop floor, each housed with 2 motors and gears, replicating some standard mechanical movement found across industrial machines. Along with this, we have 7 functional assets, again built at a smaller version like forklift, boiler, conveyors, office assets, solar panels, connectivity assets supporting the production system. We also have raw material and finished good racks with sensors at each locator and barcoding system to understand storage capacity utilization and inventory management system. Let's explore an industry use case of an auto ancillary muffler manufacturing. For this part of the demo, let's consider a scenario where I am the factory manager and you have come for an industrial visit primarily to see our company's efforts towards digital transformation and how we have enabled our workforce to enhance customer experience by building higher quality products, supplying at one of the lowest costs. Firstly, let's understand the production process. We have 7 workstations starting from sheet cutting, where we have large sheets transformed into smaller pieces. Thereafter, a series of stamping and forming operations to transform the sheet into required shape. Post that, we assemble and weld the components to make the final product. In the end, the manufactured muffler goes to a final quality check before it can be packed and shipped. For each operation, to ensure quality, cost, and machine health, we need to keep monitoring 5 to 7 machine parameters at each stage in the routing. In addition to the machine parameters, we also check machine status and production output status. While machine status helps us ensure safe practices like keeping the door shut while the operation is being operated, and analyze utilization, production output status helps in understanding quality and optimum throughput. Now let's dive into a day in a life scenario for different personnel across hierarchy and how Oracle application landscape has enabled each of us to monitor, manage production, and health status of the assets. There are many examples of the derived benefits from this digital transformation of our hours. Let me share some of it. As part of my daily routine, 30 to 40% of my time used to go in reviewing factory performance like oversee workers, capacity and equipment utilization, maintenance, Gemba walk, quality check, scrap, on-time delivery, safety, etc. The IoT application, on the other hand, has empowered me to capture all information in a single pane of glass, that too on a real-time basis. Currently, I'm getting text notifications for anomalies that my assembly machine has unusual stroke length. I know exactly which orders would have possibly got impacted. Based on that, we have triggered thorough quality checks for the affected work orders. One other beautiful example was we were monitoring a machine failure prediction for our foaming operation based on its motor temperature. Once it reached to a level, we could trigger action to avoid demand at risk, meanwhile making the relevant spare parts available. With availability of real-time information and quick decision making, now I can focus on strategic improvements and prioritizing investment projects. Based on industry benchmark, we noticed significant lagging, approximately 15 to 20% in terms of OE for our machines. Post IoT implementation, my department heads on the shop floor are able to continuously monitor the OE to reach our set target, addressing the availability, quality, and performance issues on real-time basis. On top of my mind, I can recollect the benefit of Oracle IoT application, which help us avoid a major safety incident. Our technician was addressing an abnormal motor temperature increase in sheet cutting operation. While he was working on the anomaly, he got a message mentioning excessive pressure increase on the boiler, supporting the production. Reviewing the sensor data on the Oracle IoT mobile app, they identified non-functioning of the valve to be the reason. Quickly, he solved the problem by remotely opening the safety valve through bidirectional communication, avoiding a catastrophic incident. Now let's see how we achieved it. As first step towards our Industry 4.0 journey, we went through a design thinking to lay down a roadmap score and measure our readiness, benchmark KPIs across and within sectors, and formulated a process decomposition report to enhance our ROI and ROX. One of the major output of the design thinking was to revamp our IT and OT systems. Speaking about our OT systems, the machine on our shop floor are old, incapable of connecting independently, because of which capturing relevant attribute was impossible. We were solely dependent on skill set of our workforce, making it a challenge to sustain quality and productivity. In the effort to capture relevant attributes on real-time basis for proactive and predictive actions, we connected our machines indirectly via a gateway with devices and sensors. For our mobile and remote assets supporting the production, we got it directly connected to ensure uninterrupted production support, providing alerts, warnings, and health status of the asset. We also captured some asset sensor data through LoRa devices and third-party cloud service. From IT side, till now, we manage our supply chain transactions through a mixture of on-premise and Excel sheets in order to understand work in process on real-time basis and automatically charge resources, consume raw material to transact on ERP systems. We invested in barcoding at each stage in the routing based on the design thinking output on investment areas, considering aspects like ease of management, out-of-box connectivity to middleware, and enterprise application delivering end-to-end industrial IoT solution. We went ahead with Oracle application bundle to create a digital twin for our factory. Let's review the solution from an architectural point of view. We partnered with RF Smart to capture production output status onto our Oracle Fusion application, established IIoT hardware connectivity with Oracle IoT Cloud Service, which in turn integrated with Fusion application to contextualize transactional data from the shop floor. Further, we built an AI layer through Oracle AI Energy application tightly integrating OT and IT systems. This was done primarily envisioning three things. First, to get insights from 5M, the machine, method, material management, and its impact on KPIs without having to identify correlation between thousands of variables across the production. Second, to derive limits for sensor attributes at each stage based on historical data and further set those on IoT applications for real-time insights and warnings. Lastly, and most importantly, to predict quality, yield, and cost outcomes for work in process work orders. To display how we can quickly repurpose the lab to present smart manufacturing use cases across multiple industries, let me categorize the point into two broad aspects. First, replicating the actual shop floor condition onto our lab. For that, we have supported the lab with programmable time control switches to mimic utilization, variable feed of conveyors for different throughput, machine speed control to replicate sensor data, etc. The second part of the aspect is trigger incident warning, alerts, anomalies during the demo. To help us achieve that, we have vibration motor, temperature, speed, and control, current controls for triggering different conditions. Also, our LoRa devices can quickly replicate sensor attributes based on customer sample data remotely through bidirectional communication. With this infrastructure, we can quickly repurpose the lab to support customer POCs while giving them touch and feel of how their digital factory would work. Thank you.